Hi, this video is specifically to explain about the mechanism of enzyme action based on induced-fit model. Induced-fit model is explanation of how substrate will induce the conformation of change to the active site of enzyme during its attachment to the enzyme, so that the active site of the enzyme will fit with the substrate. The first thing that we need to know in induced-fit model, with the assumption that the active site of the enzyme is not fully complementary to the shape of the substrate. So it is not exactly similar or exactly the shape of the substrate. But then, when the enzyme collides with the substrate molecule, which means the substrate molecule collide at the active site of the enzyme, so the substrate bind to the active site. This binding will induce a slight change in the conformation of the active site of enzyme. Due to this change of the active site conformation, the active site becomes fully complementary with the substrate. Then enzyme-substrate complex is formed, which will enable the enzyme to carry out their catalytic function. So product will be formed, and then the active site of the enzyme will change back into its original conformation because the product is no longer complementary to the active site.